Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I want to show you green yellow effect on your Lightroom mobile application. These are some examples of green yellow effect. First go to Light and follow these steps. Next go to Color. Follow these steps. And then go to Mix and follow these very important steps. Now go to Effect and increase texture and clarity, and set vignette according to your choice. Go to Details and follow these steps. Finally go to Profiles and follow it. You also can edit some more photos with these settings. Simply copy the setting and then paste where you want. These are some examples how to do.